Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, when is International Customs Day celebrated? A. 26 January, B. 12 February, C. 19 September, D. 18 November. Correct answer is A. 26 January. Next question, Guru Ghasidas National Park is located in which state? A. Jharkhand, C. Chhattisgarh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Chhattisgarh. Next question. Who is the author of the book The Accidental Prime Minister? A. Vipul Kant, B. Vijay Simha, C. Sanjay Baru, D. Ashok Tripathi. Correct answer is C. Sanjay Baru. Next question. In which state of India is the Nathanjali festival celebrated? A. Sikkim, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which state organized Ran Utsav every year? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. Next question. Which color star is considered an old star? A. Blue, B. Red, C. White, D. Green. Correct answer is B. Red color. Next question. The Golden Revolution is related to which field? A. Potato, B. Fertilizer, C. Petroleum, D. Horticulture. Correct answer is D. Horticulture. Next question. Where is the Indian Bureau of Mines located? A. Nagpur, B. Udaipur, C. Jodhpur, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Nagpur. Next question. The disease called scurvy is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Next question. Paika dance form is related to which of the following state? A. Gujarat, B. Odisha, C. Uttarakhand, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Odisha. Next question. Dr. Lakshmi Narayan Subramaniam is related to which musical instrument? A. Tabla, B. Santur, C. Veena, D. Violin. Correct answer is B. Violin. Next question. Where was Sant Kabir born? A. Chennai, B. Bhopal, C. Varanasi, D. Ludhiana. Correct answer C. Varanasi. Next question. The Battle of Chaushu was fought between Humayun and A. Humu, B. Ibrahim Lod, C. Krishnadevarai, D. Sher Shah Suri. Correct answer is D. Sher Shah Suri. Next question. Which national park is located in the state of Chhattisgarh and is known for its population of wild buffaloes? A. Beaton National Park, B. Indravati National Park, C. Hemans National Park, D. Manans National Park. Correct answer is B. Indravati National Park. Next question. Where is the headquarters of East Coast Railway Zone? A. Hajipur, B. Bilasapur, C. Bhubaneswar, D. Vishakhapatnam. Correct answer is C. Bhubaneswar. Next question. In which year did Telangana become the state of India? A. 2010, B. 2012, C. 2014, D. 2016. Correct answer. Next question. In which year 73rd and 74th Amendment passed by the Parliament? A. 1992, B. 1986, C. 1972, D. 1985. Correct answer A. 1992. Next question. Roshan Kumari is an exponent of which classical dance form? A. Odisha, B. Manipur, C. Kathak, D. Kuchipudi. Correct answer is C. Kathak. Next question. In which state is the Pushkar fair held? A. Odisha, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer D. Rajasthan. Next question. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located in A. Kolkata, B. Pradeep, C. Cochin, D. Mumbai. Correct answer is D. Mumbai. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.